This is what we have to watch for the first week of May every year. Bad storm, bad little storm. That's a lot of tornadoes. One has already touched down. And traditionally what happens is it'll stay this course and travel this direction towards Shawnee, passing just south of our house. We'll see how it goes. See that dark cloud hanging low, moving away from the higher cloud. It's a little bit brighter. But this is what a Oklahoma sky looks like just before you're about to get a tornado. It's not the calm before the storm or anything of that nature. I'll try to get back out here and get a shot of that, though. It's all very interesting. This may seem like a weird time to give a shout out, but my buddy Kronos Finn, who's been with me from the beginning of this channel, since we started doing gun work here anyway, asked for me to give him a shout out. So here it is, buddy. I'll do it before the tornado gets close to us. I'll come back out here in a little bit. So it's unusual that the storm would be just really compacted and isolated like that, but a tornado has already touched down out of it about a half an hour ago. And anyway, I'll keep you posted on what goes on in the middle of one of these storms and show you why living here is just not for everybody. That high cloud cover hasn't moved probably in 15 or 20 minutes. We're coming up on the part of this that's going to be the calm before the storm. Everything kind of turns bright yellow out here. What I'm going to do is set the camera up on a tripod under the patio, and we'll just watch this whole storm break loose in high speed. Hang on. The little pink arrows are tornadoes on the ground. Let's go watch this happen. The first storm missed us to the south. That's the way the camera was pointing, but this second one has grown bigger and greater in intensity, and it's heading right for us. Well, we're actually in a tornadic rotation right now. That little pink arrow popping up over the word Oklahoma City is about 2 blocks from my house, and I guess they did have a tornado touchdown there. I got scared and brought in my camera because, well, I ain't really scared of storms. I'm a little scared of my wife, and I didn't want to have to tell her that I ruined another camera. Anyway, the people that weren't actually impacted by tornadoes, the worst thing that's going to happen is flooding. There's a lot of water in this storm. We're on a hill, so that's not going to confront us. And hopefully this rotation will be over soon, and that won't confront us none either. Anyhow, I just wanted to give you a little taste of what it's like to experience this. And I expect I'll see you soon. We're going to be okay.